What's going on YouTube? It's your boy srtlen Rob and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna take y'all in a day of a life after I moved to Atlanta.
Bitch flyer, first class with can't stand me even.
As y'all can see, I'm here at my crib. And I already gotta say, I really love this city. Like, everybody's showing me love. I be seeing a lot of like animals. What the motherfuckers called? They be like climbing on trees. Man, I forgot. My bad. Anyways, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's so much love in this city. Like, if you fuck with me, I fuck with you. If you watch this video, and you know I'm talking about you. I'm talking about like all my people, all my friends, all the people I met over here. It's so much love over here. And I gotta say that one thing I just don't like about this city is, bro, there is no way. It's so many people fiending for cars, and especially Hellcats. Like, there's no way I park my car here, right? And I gotta park it here behind this fence because I can't use the garage right now. The reason why I gotta do this is because it's gonna get stolen, bro. Like, ain't no way. There's one thing I miss about Switzerland, like the safety and shit. There's one thing. You can just leave your car outside. You can just, you know what I'm saying? You can damn near leave the keys on top of the car and just leave in Switzerland. Nobody gonna do shit. But here you gotta be a little aware, which is at some point is also a good thing. It makes you more aware about like your surroundings and shit. Like you will be more 10 toes. Like you're gonna be keep your head on the swivel and shit. And I feel like that's a good thing in general. But at the same time, like, come on, bro. Anyways, let's go cold start the Hellcat redeye. When you hear that beat, bro, this shit is so crazy. I'm finna show y'all a clip of a stock Hellcat with like European norms. In Europe, they put like a different mid muffler on the car, on the Hellcats, to make them extra quiet. Because this car stock is way too loud. And I'm finna show y'all, how loud this car get. Dang, they be so fast, gang. And like you feel a difference between a redeye and a Hellcat. Is a big difference, I ain't gonna lie. Not big, but it's a difference. Like a redeye, that shit snatch, that shit go. And bro, another thing why I love America, especially the south side, or like actually just the south side, because I know the north side be cold, but like, bro, it's March. In Switzerland, it's snowing right now. As we speak, it's snowing. Like, my family be sending me pictures and videos. It's snowing cold as hell, like 12 degrees, 20 degrees. Bro, it's 82 degrees here in March. I got a hoodie on for no fucking reason. I got a hoodie on for the drip. Too hot for a hoodie. Anyway, we're finna hit the E-way. Man, I'm finna show y'all no tunnel, straight, stock, redeye, American, pure muscle. Hold on. Damn. I know y'all hear them pops too. Damn! I had to park the redeye next to the scat pack. This is what I love. It's just randomly a scat pack just spawns out of nowhere. And it was probably the dumbest decision to put a hoodie on, because I'm already sweating. I'm finna go back to the crib and get a shirt, because I ain't no way I'm walking around sweating. We're finna get some Chipotle, and yeah, that's basically it. Finna meet up with my partner, and we gonna make some videos, some content. That's basically it. I ain't even got more planned for the day, I ain't gonna lie. How you doing? I just had the camera in the hand. The camera about to die, so I need to be quick. Go back to the crib, charge it. Dude on the counter, he was like, you do YouTube? Because he's in the camera. I'm like, yeah. He gave me a paper. I wrote down my shit. He said, we got a pool party Saturday for a day. Like, things like this don't happen in Switzerland at all. Like, you connect so fast and so easy. That's why I love it. Yeah, bye. You want to rev it? That your shit?
I'm finna rev my shit.
I bet.
Tight shit. Hey,
hold on.
Hold on. You might gotta come show them this sleeper, twin. You might gotta come show them this shit. I'm finna rev it.
What you got?
I'm right here behind you. Genesis.
I bet. Hold on. Oh, I know that shit finna be loud, ain't it?
Tight shit.
Oh. Damn. Damn. Nah, that hard, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, for sure, twin. Okay.
Hey, y'all be safe, man.
Tuning.
See, bro, I just talked about it, bro. I was just nah. Like I just talked to y'all about it. It's so easy to like meet people and like talk to people. The guy come to my window and just start talking to me. It's just love, like damn. Like don't get me wrong, like yeah, I love Switzerland. I really love y'all. I love every single one of y'all that watch my videos from there. I love the country, it's so beautiful. But like it's just something about like socializing. Something about being nice to each other. Like damn bro, why do you hate me so much? Like what did I do? We too deep. We go. Jailbreak. It's a red eye. We got SRT David in the cut now. We get some gas, make some content. We got a model for a brand today, for my partner brand. Nah, that bit so hard, bro. And he just got it wrapped yesterday. Shit brand new, you feel me?
No, I was saying like you was trying to keep going, but she kept speeding up.
Oh yeah, nah, I got that though. She was trying to go. You gotta get what?
My wheels rotated like another alignment.
Why is it like they ain't calibrated?
Huh?
They ain't calibrated? Like back to how it was? Damn.
I don't know.
You might need to get it redone, I ain't gonna lie. We thinking about the wrap though. That shit overly hard, I ain't gonna lie. We snap. Tell them folks where we at, what we doing.
We at goddamn Coco Chanel shop. You seen her Instagram before or no?
Yeah, hell yeah, I seen the videos. You was in that shit too, ain't it?
Nah, this gonna be my first
JD.
my first time being in that bit.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Going on, man. That boy been waiting, ain't it?
Yeah, it was like an hour. Dude.
Damn. Thank God. Yeah, damn. What's good, man? Yeah. Jay, what we doing?
We're going to JD.
Hi, YouTube. We at the gas station right now. Hey, what's your name?
My name's Smokey.
Smoke. Hey, introduce yourself right here.
Hey, my name's Smokey. The greatest rapper in the city. I never tip a bitch to see no ass and titties.
Hey, that's Smoke. My boy Smoke.
Hey, right now we doing this shit live. What I'ma do? I'ma ask somebody, let me see their phone. You know what I'm saying? Make a call, they gonna let me see their phone. I'ma take out with it about 3 seconds, turn around and get back. Hey, look, hey, Hellcat. Man, look, what you want me to do? Fuck it, I'll show you what I'm gonna do.
Oh, that's RC.
Man, look at that shit right there, y'all. Look at the candy. Look how candy that shit is, though. You can't even find that shit in no Jolly Rancher. And then, look at the color. Look at the gloss. And then if I get a nap, oh, what? Oh, my God.
Hey, who we got a free though? Who we got a free?
Tree.
Tree?
We got a free tree.
Free tree.
Hey, y'all niggas don't know about that Hellcat, man. That bitch fast as fuck.
Hey, free tree, man.
Free tree. Free tree. Oh. Hey, yo, that ain't no lie, B. I want y'all a free tree. That nigga Tree came back to racetrack when he was here. He blessed me. Whole crew, they blessed me. Nigga, that's a fact. Tree, please come home, cause I'm ready for the ride in that Hellcat.
You see?
You think having sex with a 67-pound woman on with her period on?
So we're outside doing content. Everybody out here doing content. We got the red eye, we got the jailbreak, track hawk. Hey twin, what car you choosing?
What I'm choosing?
Out of the jailbreak, the red eye, RT, and the track hawk.
Jailbreak got E85 on it? Oh, it's
It's just a regular. It's the regular jet. How many straight pipes? So it sound crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been into my big bitches lately. I might go track.
You go track? Cause you got space for the kids, type 5 for the girls, type shit. I see, that's right, I know that's right. Nah, for real, but it's the type of word, like, I'm just trying to tell y'all, like, it's really just, this how it is. Like, everybody doing content. We got geek shit outside. It's good vibes only. Like, no hate, no, you know what I'm saying? Now look at this booty, bro. This shit is so nice. Like, damn, bro. Alright, y'all, so David finna drive the track hawk for the first time.
This my first time. Oh my God, I got it.
It's your first time driving the truck?
Yes, I never drove a truck.
This is why I need the what's the name, bro. You said you got like 4 of them. Give me one, nigga.
No, I got 2.
Well, then
one
give
of
me
them, one of
one.
them in my damn Timo shit.
So then give me that one and take the Tipu one, nigga. I'm not hearing the problem.
No, I got 3 actually. 2 for that shit, and then 1 is right here. But at the same time, like I'm gonna have 2 different phones set up like that, like
So
2
you
different camera angles.
Okay.
That shit fire.
You saying 2 and I hear 3. Where the third one at, nigga?
Camera right
let me
here.
get one too.
That's like
So you need this side, and one in the middle. Your car not that fucking big. Damn.
Damn.
Pour the shit.
I got shit.
Yeah, I like this.
Damn, this shit loud.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god.
That bitch lift up too.
Oh god. Oh my god. That bitch fucking geek.
Oh shit.
I'm in these corners fast as shit.
Fuck.
Hold on.
That shit hard as fuck.
What the fuck?
Nah.
No shit louder stock.
Get me out of here, boy. Get me out of here, boy. Now I want to get a track off. Now I want to get a track off. That shit is loud and it's fast as hell. I would feel like driving a track off.
Nigga, this shit fire. I would get one of these. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah, I want to get one.
This is a family car and it's a fucking geek ass car like you can have.
Oh, God.
Fun. That's why I said, bro. I got it, bro. Now you see why I didn't want to settle for a Hellcat. I'm like, I don't want a Hellcat, bro. That's a Hellcat ain't me.
Hellcat really is just some shit to have fun with. Like, but if you want to like everyday drive, this shit is like perfect. I'm not gonna lie.
What you had before this, KJ?
You said what?
What you had before this, David?
I had a Chrysler 200 and then I had a F-150 truck.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Trackhawk and a Hellcat though? Dude, I'm already with you. Alright, so this is my second time driving a Trackhawk, but I ain't never drove no like geek shit before. You said like down there?
Yeah, this is the straight line right here. This y'all good.
Now I got a Trackhawk too? What?
What the fuck?
I put my seatbelt on.
Oh shit.
Oh my
Bro, my heart just sank to
what
my
the
butt.
fuck? Oh shit.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Nigga dogging this bitch.
Oh my god. So geek, bro.
What's the name? Get off the middle. So
Yeah, get off the middle of the hood.
Oh shit.
Where I gotta go? Where I gotta turn around?
shit, bro. What is this?
It's all wheel drive. You definitely fuck with us today.
This shit, nah, this shit is crazy.
This
This is next.
It's crazy.
This is
I'm surprised they didn't come say that today.
After driving it, this shit even crazier. Like, this bitch snatched so fast. I want to get a Trackhawk too, I ain't gonna lie. This shit crazy. Alright, YouTube, man. It's nighttime. Y'all see the beautiful city of Atlanta, man. It was an eventful day. We did a lot of content. We did a lot of videos. And yeah, I get emotional looking at this shit. I don't know. Like, this shit is just so beautiful. Look at this fucking city, bro. This shit is just beautiful. Now look at this fucking jailbreak. Look how sexy that shit is. That thick ass jailbreak. I'll fuck the shit out of that jailbreak.
What do you mean by that?
To end the video, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive through the city. Not even gonna do too much. I'm just gonna show y'all the city, cause bro, this shit is just beautiful, gang. Like, bro, like. Damn. YouTube, man, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This is really how my life is. This is my life, and I love it. This shit is beautiful. I could do this for the rest of my life, and I would not get tired of it. And And I got David behind me.